Hello everyone, this is Cheerful Chase. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Formula 1. I'm going to explain most basic and commonly used terms in Formula 1 which you might need to know if you are going to start watching Formula 1. And if you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Share as much as you can to the people who are new to F1 and wants to learn more about it. So without any delay, let's get started. So whenever you watch an F1 race on TV, phone or highlights on YouTube, you might come across this term Grand Prix on the title. If I tell you in very simple words, Grand Prix is like a series of races that makes up a championship. So in whole championship, a specific race is known as Grand Prix, and there are so many Grand Prix that combined make a championship. So the second term that you should know about if you're an F1 beginner is circuit. So in Formula 1, circuit is like a specifically designed racetrack where Formula 1 cars compete in Grand Prix and high-speed races. The circuit contains twists, turns and different sections which are challenging for driver, and each circuit is unique, and the goal of the driver is to complete the number of sets, or I would say the number of laps, in the fastest time possible. Okay, so third one we have is participants and teams. So in Formula 1, basically there are 10 teams. Each team can have 2 drivers, so there are total of 20 drivers participating in every F1 season, but it can vary according to the rules and regulations of FIA, which is the federation that sets the rules and regulations, ensures safety standards, watch over the consistency of Formula 1 competitions worldwide and their conduction. So these are the teams that participate in 2023 World Championship, but a team can join and withdraw from the championship over time, depending on various factors such as finance, performance, etc. The next thing I want you to know is pit stop, but for learning about pit stop, you have to know about pit lane. So pit lane is basically a designated area alongside the racetrack where teams carry out pit stops. So a pit stop is basically a quick stop during a race where the team makes necessary adjustments to the car, such as changing tires, refueling or fixing any issues to optimize the performance of the car during the race. After that, we have penalty in Formula 1. It is like a punishment given to the driver for violating rules during a race. Penalties can include time addition, disqualification depending on what rule did the driver violated. But the most common reason for a driver to get penalties in Formula 1 is exceeding track limits, causing collisions or violating safety rules. That's it. We're talking about Formula 1, so how can we not talk about F1 drivers? Formula 1 drivers are highly skilled drivers with excellent reflexes, physical fitness and focus. They all compete in Grand Prix to win the title of World Champion. Till now, Michael Schumacher and Lewis Hamilton holds the title for winning the most World Championships, which is 7 times. But currently, Max Verstappen is dominating. He has won the World Championship 3 times in a row since 2021. Now the last topic of our today's video is DRS, which stands for Drag Reduction System. It's a technology introduced to promote overtaking. Whenever a driver is within 1 second of the car in front and in DRS zone, they can activate the DRS, which reduces the drag and increase straight line speed, making it easier to overtake. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you want more videos related to F1, please comment down below and I'll make more of these videos just for you. Thank you so much.